Is the opposition's bid to remove Vice President Dhankar a bold step for democracy or political drama? For the first time during this political crisis, nearly 60 MPs of the opposition India bloc have announced that they will remove Jagdeep Dhankar from the office of Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman. They accuse him of being partial against opposition members and not conducting the affairs of the House fairly. The opposition says that Dhankar interrupts their speeches regularly, misuses rules to silence them, and discourages dissent from the government. They say all this is against the rule of the Vice President, who should be neutral and fair. What the BJP says, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has forcefully opposed the notice, determining it most regrettable. He stated that Dhankar is a very professional and impartial leader working for the welfare of farmers and the people. Rijiju accused the opposition too of not upholding the dignity of the chair in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. He said, the Vice President comes from humble beginnings and has always guided the House well. This notice is just a political gimmick. Besides, he said, we as NDA under BJP totally know Dhankar leadership, what the opposition wants. Though the opposition lacks numbers to remove the Vice President, they say that his act speaks volumes in defense of parliamentary democracy. They say their action has highlighted the misuse of power in Parliament, now growing, and the need to restore fairness. Has this ever happened before? This is the first time in Indian history that a vice president faces such a notion. No vice president has ever been removed, making this a significant event in India's political journey. What's next? With the ruling NDA holding the majority in the Rajya Sabha, the notion is unlikely to succeed. However, it raises important questions about the role of leaders in ensuring Parliament functions fairly and democratically. The public will now be watching closely to see how this unfolds and what it means for the future of Indian democracy.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.